The Leontief production function has the following characteristics. Inputs are used in fixed proportions. There is no substitutability among factors of production, and isoquant is right-angled. If labor and capital are the two inputs used in the fixed proportion of 1:1, this means 1 unit of labor and 1 unit of capital. If labor is increased to 2 units, capital will also increase to 2 units. And if labor increases to 3 units, capital will also increase to 3 units, and so on, such that the input ratio is fixed at 1:1. Consider the right-angled isoquant. At point A, 2 units of labor and 2 units of capital produce 20 units of a product. If labor increases to 6 units and capital is maintained at 2 units, the output is not increased, therefore fulfilling the assumption of no substitutability among factors of production. Another important assumption of the input-output model is that production display constant returns to scale. If labor and capital are used in the fixed proportion of 1:1, and if labor increases 6 times, capital increases 6 times, and the output produced will also be 6 times. The right-angled isoquant will move up to the right. Suppose that in order to produce a Jeep, only 2 inputs are used, tire and steering wheel. Jeep is the output. One Jeep requires 1 steering wheel and 4 tires. In other words, to produce an output of 1 unit, inputs are used in the ratio 1:4. That is 1 unit of steering wheel and 4 units of tires. If the inputs are doubled, the ratio becomes 2:8. That is 2 units of steering wheel and 8 units of tire. The Jeeps produced are 2 units, that is doubled. The observations from this example are: inputs are used in the fixed proportion 1:4. Steering wheel cannot substitute tires, and therefore isoquant is a right angle. The production display constant returns to scale.